Thanks for joining us tonight. Hollywood is mourning the loss of Gene Hackman, who was remembered at tonight's Oscars. This week, he and his wife were found dead in New Mexico, and investigators haven't ruled out carbon monoxide poisoning as a possible cause.
That gas almost claimed the lives of a Boonesboro family. ABC 13's Alexia Stambridge investigates how this colorless, odorless gas can be a silent killer.
These pictures show us what could have been a tragic story. Emergency crews responded to this Boonesboro house last month when their home filled with carbon monoxide.
We could have died and never woke up.
Brittany Tweedy says they had the fireplace going to help heat the house, but the chute wasn't working properly. Her fiance gradually began feeling sick, and after about 3 hours, her carbon monoxide detector went off.
Called the fire department to kind of figure out where it was coming from because we didn't know.
The Boonesboro Volunteer Fire and Rescue Company and Big Island Emergency Crew responded.
How high were the levels at their place?
They were very high. If they'd have waited much longer to call or evacuate, it would have been a totally different story.
Dale Overstreet with the Big Island Emergency Crew says the family, especially Tweedy's fiance, showed symptoms like headaches, blurred vision, and nausea. Other symptoms include lightheadedness and eventually losing consciousness.
It'll come on very sudden. Carbon monoxide, they say, is a silent killer, and it's true.
It's a odorless, tasteless gas, so aside from like detection from a specific detector or development of symptoms, you wouldn't know that it's being produced or you're getting exposed to it.
He says carbon monoxide is produced by fireplaces, gas stoves, generators, and cars. That's why all these things need to be properly ventilated.
It produces a gas that tries to take over the oxygen in your body.
That's why Tweedy says she's grateful they had a carbon monoxide detector and that it worked.
You know, had we not taken those steps, we could have went to sleep and never woke up.
I talked with Tweedy this week, and everyone is doing fine. Carbon monoxide detectors like this one cost between $30 and $65 at your local hardware store. Back to you.